Marley, I be ya. Shout out to Shop. I'm going there. I got a bitch named Keisha, she a real dick pleaser. But shawty from Cuba, still working on a visa. Her girlfriend Lisa, man, her in Puerto Rico. How she don't suck dick, but expecting me to eat her. That hoe crazy, man, you don't wanna meet her. But her homegirl need her, swallow come by the leader. She look good in boy shorts and the beater. But this other girl, Quita, way sexier than Nita. I ain't lying, Sheeta, hottest bitch heater. But I'm a fucking freezer, yeah, I'm a fucking lever. Yeah, I'm a fucking eater. Fly your and deeper, smoke like a Cohiba. Your hoe give me cerebral. Now get low and touch your toe for my people. And if you ain't fucking them, then you ain't fucking me either. You think your man hot? Well, fucking me either. Heard I got guap, wanna kick it like FIFA. Everyday Christmas cause I'm smoking that reefer. Keep a lot of bitches like Queen Latifah. I am Southern Land, not Kiefer. YME for Young Money Entertain. Run dummy finna bang it. You want beef, then my money will arrange it. I am not fucking finna aim it, but that ain't a rush out for me when I'm angry. Yeah, Halicro Biatch, slap it like Joe, you better go get G.I. All my guns knee high, M-O-N-E-Y, that's what I rely on. I'm gone, he high, yeah, I'm 3 high. I'm just schooling these fucks like D-Fry. College institution, violence and confusion. Stop with your excuses, hip-hop I am seducing. Beat you like producers, eat you like produce. Man, I fucked your girl till her pussy got no juice. Now she can't produce, so you won't be needing that baby. Cause all you really need is Weezy F, baby.
I knew this freak named Tanya from around the way. She used to go to Catholic school back in the day. Now she's stripping in suits for a stack a day. But she bring it all to daddy, so that's okay. I got a bitch named Lola, true dick smoker. Part-time broker, late night she working strokers. Her cousin named Mocha got an insane spine. And it's crazy cause I fucked them both at the same time. I even got a bitch in the Bay named Jessica. I swear she might get the best mouth in America. Vanessa got an attitude, but her ass meaner. She remind me of this hoe I used to fuck named Sabrina. Ugly little thing from the home of the Ravens. I only kept around cause her ass was amazing. Tiffany and Emily, my bona fide sluts. When I come, they touch tongues and share that nut. Got a white chick down in Florida named Sasha. On my mama, her head golden like an Oscar. And I met her through Tasha. At the condo, she let me fuck her on the washer. September nigga, so you know he nasty. And if she nasty, we do the nasty. Nah, I tell a bitch like this, you gotta take like 10 dicks before you meet the president. Young Money.
Okay, I know this one, honey. I call her track star cause when we fuck, she run from me. And I'm hella fly and her dude done bum me. And I don't get girls, I make her get one from me. My weed real plummy and real gummy. And my flow is harder than an anvil, honey. Shoot these niggas with the handheld, honey. I paper chase, fuck stand still money. Niggas kill with me and kill for me. Best believe we riding if the fan belt running. Leave a motherfucker just laying there bloody. I'm from the dirty and I make it rain, damn that's muddy. She just wanna be my cuddy buddy. And on these tracks I go nutty buddy. What it is, issue or issue ain't my fate.